A great air fryer doesn't have to cost a fortune. With so many affordable options available, spending more isn't always the smarter choice. Here are 5 of the best air fryers under $100 that deliver impressive performance, convenience, and value for everyday cooking. Number 5. Instant Pot 6QT Vortex Plus Air Fryer. The Instant Pot 6QT Vortex Plus Air Fryer is a fantastic choice for families looking to prepare crispy meals with less oil while staying within a reasonable budget. Its spacious 6-quart capacity easily handles everything from chicken wings and fries to vegetables and frozen snacks, making it suitable for everyday cooking. The intuitive controls and multiple cooking functions also simplify meal preparation, even for people using an air fryer for the first time. What makes this model stand out is its consistency. It circulates hot air evenly to create crispy textures without requiring excessive oil, while the roomy basket reduces the need to cook in multiple batches. Cleanup is also straightforward thanks to its non-stick components. For anyone wanting a versatile air fryer that combines generous capacity, reliable performance, and simple operation without exceeding the $100 mark, the Vortex Plus remains an excellent option. Number 4. Ninja Air Fryer. The Ninja Air Fryer has earned its popularity by delivering dependable cooking performance in a compact and user-friendly design. Whether you're preparing frozen foods, roasting vegetables, or reheating leftovers, it consistently produces crispy results with very little effort. The controls are easy to understand, allowing beginners to start cooking almost immediately without spending time learning complicated settings. Beyond everyday convenience, the Ninja Air Fryer offers impressive versatility for its size. It heats up quickly, cooks food evenly, and helps reduce cooking time compared to traditional ovens. Its compact footprint also makes it ideal for smaller kitchens, apartments, or anyone with limited counter space. While it may not have every advanced feature available on premium models, it delivers exactly what most home cooks need at a price that offers outstanding value. Number 3. Instant Pot Vortex Plus Air Fryer. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus continues to be one of the strongest contenders in the budget air fryer category, thanks to its balance of performance and convenience. Designed for everyday cooking, it handles a wide variety of meals while maintaining even heat distribution that helps food come out crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. From quick weeknight dinners to weekend snacks, it adapts easily to different cooking needs. Its straightforward digital controls make selecting cooking programs simple, while the spacious interior provides enough room for family-sized portions. The appliance also preheats quickly, helping reduce overall cooking time without sacrificing results. Combined with its modern appearance and easy-to-clean design, the Vortex Plus delivers a premium cooking experience at a price that's surprisingly affordable. Number 2. Cosori Air Fryer Pro. The Cosori Air Fryer Pro has become a favorite among home cooks because it combines sleek design with reliable everyday performance. Its intuitive touchscreen interface makes selecting cooking settings simple, while rapid air circulation helps create crispy, evenly cooked meals with significantly less oil. Whether you're cooking fresh ingredients or frozen favorites, the results remain consistently satisfying across a wide range of recipes. Another reason this model stands out is its attention to user experience. The basket slides smoothly, cleanup is quick, and the preset cooking modes remove much of the guesswork for beginners. Despite its affordable price, the overall build quality feels premium, making it look right at home in modern kitchens. If you're searching for an air fryer that balances style, convenience, and dependable cooking performance under $100, the Cosori Air Fryer Pro is one of the strongest options available. Number 1. Instant Pot Vortex 2QT Mini Air Fryer. The Instant Pot Vortex 2QT Mini Air Fryer proves that bigger isn't always better. Designed for individuals, couples, or small kitchens, this compact appliance delivers the same crispy cooking experience as larger air fryers while taking up very little counter space. It's perfect for preparing quick lunches, snacks, side dishes, or reheating leftovers without needing to heat an entire conventional oven. Its compact size also means faster preheating and efficient cooking, making it especially convenient for busy lifestyles. The controls are straightforward, cleanup is simple, and the appliance fits comfortably into apartments, dorm rooms, or RV kitchens. While its capacity isn't intended for large families, it excels at preparing smaller portions quickly and consistently. For shoppers seeking an affordable, space-saving air fryer under $100, the Instant Pot Vortex 2QT Mini offers exceptional value and everyday practicality. The best air fryer isn't always the most expensive one. It's the one that fits your cooking style and kitchen. If this guide helped you find the right model, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our next kitchen appliance roundup.